why is the K-Show so important for Krones and specifically for the recycling equipment? We see that plastic littering, of course, is an issue worldwide, and we as Krones in the recycling group can do something about it to a certain extent. We are coming from the PET recycling basically, but this is state of the art now, so everybody can provide equipment for PET recycling. A lot of the material of the PET is already collected and recycled and provided back into packaging material and bottles. Where are we moving to? We are moving towards flexibles, towards films, towards different materials, so away from PET to polyolefins, to low-density polyethylene and others. We are developing our equipment towards that as well. Have also quite a number of interesting projects in that respect on which we are working. So we are basically aligned with the trend and see that we are positioning ourselves according to the market needs. So I see personally the recycling business at Krones positioned quite well for the future. And we hope to be back here in another couple of years with maybe even a bigger booth.
Ba 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 da da.